is not just a web app. This is CrashEval, an AI-powered vehicle damage assessment system. Built entirely from scratch. Running locally, no cloud, no API fees, no limits. You drop a crash photo in, and within seconds, a large language model, running right here, on this machine, reads that image, identifies the damage zones, assesses the severity, and generates a full forensic report. Minor, moderate, severe, total loss, structural damage, airbag deployment, legal and claim notes, ready for documentation. Every report is stored, searchable, printable, exportable. Built on Flask, SQLite, and a Vision AI model that runs on a consumer GPU. No subscription. No data leaving your machine. Just raw AI, doing real work. This is what's possible when you stop waiting for someone else to build the tools you need and build them yourself.